Dildos and vibrators are banned in India, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of sex toys do girls mostly use?
Embarrassed, yeah. I really don't. Probably
Any best to your knowledge?
carrot or something like that. I think so. Looks similar to that. Banana.
In that case, I guess vibrators could be in.
Vibrators are also banned.
Vibrators are banned. I guess please yourself by looking at hot guys like you or you.
I'm guessing butt plugs. Is what
And
usually they use.
and
Handcuffs. You mostly into the Christian Grey stuff that usually he used in his books. So that's it.
I don't know. I haven't tried. My sex life isn't started. So I don't really know.
any of your friends have tried this? Any toothbrush ka backside or banana or something?
My friend tried a carrot. Yeah.
Carrot.
Yeah. She tried a carrot. A banana also, and badly injured she got. Yeah, I remember. And she was in her teenage, and because sex education isn't that good, so yeah, she's ruined. Yeah, emotionally scarred now.
Love your own self. Masturbate.
What do you think about threesome sex?
Probably it would be fun or something.
Do girls take naked selfies?
Yeah, they do.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, they do. yes, at least I do.
What about you? Have you ever taken a naked selfie?
That will be no.
Okay. Have you ever taken a naked selfie?
No, I haven't. No, I don't think I'm that hot. So yeah.
Where and why?
I guess it's for their boyfriends.
Probably they want to see how good they look or something like that.
We just do it for the sake of fun, like we do it on Snapchat, maybe with best friends. That's it, nothing much.
As long as we don't send it to anyone, it's fine, right?
Now, what if the pics get leaked?
What will you do? You can't do anything.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, but then you can actually. There are some apps for sexting. So you can use them.
So, are you okay with it? If taking naked selfies and sending out to your boyfriends and all that?
Yeah, I mean, it's my wish, right?
I think people should do it. Yeah, why not? Who would not like a naked selfie?
Why? किसी को पता नहीं लगेगा.
Still,
What?
even we don't know you.
Yes, I'm Vinay. Hello. What's your name?
No.
You?
No.
Why?
I'm not interested.
Excuse me. You guys wanna go have sex with me right now? Say yes or no.
No.
Why?
We don't know you.
I'm Vinay.
And I have a boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. You have?
Yeah.
You have boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Go have sex with me right now.
No.
No. Excuse me. You guys wanna sex with me? Any of you?
Yeah.
Yes. At my place.
No.
Why?
I don't know you.
I'm Vinay. What's your good name?
Niharika.
So now we know each other.
No, but then ऐसे थोड़ा किसी के साथ.
Excuse me, guys. Can I have sex with you?
No.
Why? I'm
Not interested.
I'm telling you, किसी को पता नहीं लगेगा.
किसी को पता लगी तो but we don't know you.
I'm Vinay. What's your good name?
I am not interested.
Oh. Excuse me. You guys wanna sex with me right now? What? Sorry? Say yes or no.
No.
Why?
No. We're not that kind of girls.
You guys wanna sex with me? Say yes or no.
No.
What? You guys wanna sex with me?
No. No.
Why?
No. We don't know you. Why would we have?
Hey, I'm Vinay. What's your name?
Not interested.
We can know each other. Not interested?
No.
Wanna go have sex with me?
Sorry.
Wanna go have sex with me right now? What?
Not interested.
Not interested?
Something else. What category of porn do you want? Food sex. Hardcore. Hardcore as well. Yeah.
Lesbian.
What about you?
Karen Cross. She's Jolie her.
Me personally, if you would ask, I would say the erotic kind or threesomes maybe. But two guys and a girl.
Vintage, the 70s, 80s one.
I watch gangbang.
Celebrities. हाँ जब भी देखा था मॉम डैड के साथ देखा था एक बार when I देखा नहीं था as in like my mom only showed like I was like 2-3 साल पहले
Sex education, like.
Solo.
There's lesbian porn, there's MILFs.
BDSM.
soft porn.
And would you like to date a black guy since you've seen what he's equipped with? Like a black guy.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's big.
Yeah, it's fun.
In the porn films, okay, the black guys are so well equipped is a small word, if you know what I mean. It's like he'll pretty much tear me apart, and I don't think I want that. Okay.
I date a black guy because they have nice personalities.
Never. I don't want to get that sore, to be honest enough. I want to survive. I want to live my life. That's it.
Yeah, actually, yes. Yeah, he lose a lot of things to me.
Okay, so you like rough sex or erotic kind of?
Erotic sex is good, but I think rough sex is needed once in a while to like spice things up. Vanilla sex can get boring after a while sometimes.
Rough.
Erotic.
Do you like rough sex or erotic kind of porn?
Hello. Ew. I don't understand.
Both. I told you I'm too greedy, man.
The rough kind.
Rough kind? Why?
It's fun.
I like erotic.
Rough sex.
Erotic, I think.
Rough.
So what is the grossest thing you've seen in the porn?
Animals, like guys fucking animals. Okay, worst. Scat, probably. It's like, you know, when they poop on each other and then they puke on each other and then they like...
People inserting Coke bottles inside their vaginas. Like, it's really gross.
Yeah, worst thing you've seen in a porn?
2 girls in a cup, definitely.
Sucking dicks. Yeah, that's sometimes... when they're not clean and everything.
I guess when they really do distort cartoons, the ones that you've grown up seeing, okay, I've seen a bad version of Ben 10, okay, it just ruined everything for me.
I don't find anything grossy. It's like, yeah, you should be enjoying it, like licking it by, that's it.
Nice.
You need to like nasty things, and I like it.
Okay, what is your best porn you've seen so far?
I think group sex.
The best is probably like threesomes, I guess.
Not threesome for sure. बेचारे सब चढ़ जाते हैं किसी पे. With a celebrity or something.
Babe or beauty, yeah.
Okay, and what is the best category?
BDSM, like being cuffed and you know, restraints everywhere.
Keeping it real works the best.
Passionate HD quality stuff.
Threesome.
Threesome as well. It's crazy. You get the feel, you know.
And what about what you like girls on girls porn?
Of course, definitely.
Lesbian porn? No, not really.
No, I am pretty straight. I'm sure my friends love it because they rant about it so much. So yeah.
You like girl on girl porn?
Definitely. They're much better.
Have sex with Megan Fox. Some girls like it, but
Yeah, it doesn't matter really. What's so great about it? It's just your body.
Okay, why do you watch porn?
For usually I'm like trying to fall off to sleep and can't.
Why do normal people watch porn?
Then it's okay. It doesn't really matter. It depends on the girl.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
Yes, they do. Guys get turned on by that.
it's a sign that curves attract men.
That's the asset because of which guys start fantasizing what they can do with a girl, what she can give me, what I can do and what not. Everything depends upon that.
Do you think a guy's penis size actually matter?
I've never watched anything that kind of thing, so I don't know.
Maybe. Yes. No, what matters is the performance, not the size, really.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
Yes.
It's the attractive part for them.
So more the curvy you are, more curvy your boobs are, obviously it will attract men. So it really matters.
So would you like to go for a surgery to increase your size or something?
No man, I have nice ones.
Not at all. I'm happy with what I have.
I think for guys, it does because I've watched so many things where they actually firstly focus on that and then they go above. So I think for them.
I don't know, it depends on the guy, I guess. Some people are more attracted to the butt or other things.
You think a guy's penis size actually matter?
I suppose yes. I don't think so.
It depends on the art of how you're having sex with.
For me, it doesn't matter because all depends upon his strength and how much he can, satisfy me.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
It's not upon the girl to increase her boobs or decrease. It's definitely a natural thing. To them, yes, definitely, because the more the size of the boobs, they'll definitely interact with the girl more, and they would fantasize with the girl more. So yeah, the size, they will attract more, and they will be having those intentions more, and they will get the mood very fast.
Do you think a guy's penis size actually matter?
Not really, come on. We have been using average size, so we are like totally okay with that. It's all cool. We are enjoying it.
It depends on how well the woman and the man are compatible. If a woman's vagina is small, then it doesn't make a difference. So it's, I think, personal preference depending on how well it goes with you.
We are using average size?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 6.57, not more than that.
Very disappointing, the Indian penis size.
Like, share, comment.